In California, it's like 100 degrees. Okay, this place is a lot prettier when it's raining. Things are like washed off. There's not a lot of people out, so I'm not gonna get pushed everywhere. Because everyone's like, I don't like the rain, it's Saturday, I'm staying in. I'm like, fuck that shit, I'm out. I got my boots on. Anything can handle, these boots can handle anything. Anything can handle these boots. No, that's not it. So, I headed over to the Bowser place that is near my house. I'm gonna get San Ge, which is 3 of that. And then I pointed the sign. I still don't know how to say, how do you say that? And I also don't know how to say what I'm ordering. So I just point and say, Juga, Juga, Juga. Alright, this is where my cross streets. Right here. This is the busy street I live on. Jishanjie, Jiefenglu. He wants to see if I need a taxi. I don't. I just need to walk across the street. Good luck with that. I don't know about you, but rain makes me happy and puts me in a good mood. I love the puddles. There's so many puddles to splash in. Yes, I'm that bitch that splashes in puddles. But I have some awesome shoes that, like, I'll probably slip on these shoes though because they're for snow. There's nothing it's digging into, so you usually slip and fall. Nice umbrella, dude. This is pretty, pretty purple umbrella. Guaranteed that's his. I am standing as far away from that puddle as I can. I need to get over there. I seriously don't want to get splashed. Alright, I have my Bowser in my jacket. Yep, that's a sinkhole. Don't step on that cardboard. You will fall in and you'll go to Neverland. No, Wonderland. Because you fly to Neverland, you fall to Wonderland. Same shit. Anyways, so that's a rainy day at Dalian, and I got my peach, or no, this is pear juice. But it's made by Tropicana, of all things. Guess whose light is fixed? The guy came in and fixed my light. Yeah. So I can see when I do dishes. Last night I came home at 4 a.m. and I did the dishes. What kind of drunk am I? Weird one. Okay, I have one question. Ow. Why does my hip hurt? What did I do? It's like a dancing accident. Anyone watch How I Met Your Mother? I have dancer's hip. Freaking love it. Oh, it smells like paint. Living in a construction area. I just hope they don't like break the foundation and I just come tumbling down. It'd be raining outside. Alright, here's something I won't miss from China. When you buy things, you're never sure if they are broken or not. Because they'll just sell it to you. So I have to fix this somehow. Maybe some duct tape or something. Oh yeah, they don't sell that, so I don't know. La 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 la. I fixed it, I fixed it. When I turned it on the first time, it just did this. Nothing. And then I opened it with my screwdriver, which happens to be magnetic. I just found that out. And I fuddled with the wires, like I made sure their connections were tighter. And then I turned it on and that bitch worked. I fixed it. I put some tape and got a little crazy with the tape. And then, but this is how you know it works. You just switch it on and bam! Bitches, I'm awesome. Alright, I'm heading out for lunch. My 6th graders have this habit of saying the word shit, like as an exclamatory for being upset. And I was like, guys, you can't say that, even though it's hilarious. So, it's pretty cool. So here I am, it's Friday at my favorite restaurant now. They have green beans and they have rice, which I always like, with some news, and they give you kind of your setup in plastic so you know it's wet or it's clean. And then I always get some Sprite and some hot water just for now. Got a good book.